Hi everyone! In today's class, we have a Quickie yoga session and we are going to work on our dramatic delts. So the delts are our tops of the shoulders. So you will need a resistance band for this class. So this is the resistance band I will be using. I got this from Decathlon, or you can get it from any sports store. If you don't have a resistance band, you can use dumbbells, or if you don't have dumbbells at home, you can use any weight, maybe water bottle or maybe canned goods for the class. So we'll start at the top of the mat. Okay, you'll go ahead, place your resistance band, okay, and then you'll step on it. Okay, so bring the feet hip width apart or maybe closer together. See how that feels as we find chair pose. So you'll bend the knees and then press the hips back. Okay, so you can be in a high chair or a low chair. And then from here, we'll start to, as you hold on to the band, try to reach the arms forward and up, any amount. Okay, so depending on how much resistance you're giving yourself. Okay, so we'll do this a couple of times, at least 5. Okay, so draw the belly in, press up, and then release as you hold chair. 4 more. Keep breathing, maybe looking forward. Nice. Last 2. And then 1. All right, from here, hold chair. Press down on the left foot, press your weight onto the left foot, and then we'll start to lift the right leg up and then step back into a high lunge. Okay, if you lose your balance, go ahead, just reset. And then this time, anchor down your left foot. Okay, and then from here, we'll start to bring the arms out to the sides, and then we'll start to press up. Okay, 5 times as well. Inhale, draw the zipper in. Breathing in, breathing out. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so notice as we do this movement with the band, okay, we'll feel the tops of the shoulders working our delts. 1 more. And then from here, we'll step forward. We'll find chair pose again for a moment because we'll press our weight down to the right leg. As we lift the left leg up, we'll step back into that high lunge on the other side. So ground the right foot. Okay. And then from here, that same movement, arms out to the sides, and then we'll press up and then release. Pressing up and release. Inhale. So notice if your shoulders are lifting up, we want the shoulder blades to press down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Know that it is a lot of work. Stepping forward again, we'll find chair pose. Next round. Okay, so this time we'll keep the arms out to the sides. Bend the knees. Okay, press the hips back any amount. 5 times again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last 2. And last 1. So we'll also feel our butt muscles engage. All right, we'll balance on the left foot. Lift the right leg up, and then this time we'll step back into warrior 1. Okay, so bend into that left knee any amount, roll that right hip forward, bring the arms out to a T. If you want more resistance, go ahead, wrap the hands around your band, or if you want less, okay, that's an option as well. 5 times. Inhale and release. Okay, pressing up and release. Inhale and release. Last 2. Zipper, don't forget the core. Last 1, and we'll release. We'll step forward again, staying for a moment in chair. Know that our quads are also working as we lift that left leg up, stepping back. Okay. Now as we bend into that right knee, okay, so working with bands are also great. Bringing the heart rate a little bit higher. Okay, 5 times. Inhale, exhale. Nice. Maybe looking forward. Okay, maybe if eyebrows are coming together, maybe relax the face. Last 2. And then last 1. Nice. And then from here, we'll step forward again. Bend the knees. And then this time, we'll do a hold. Press the arms out to the sides, and then we'll hold here. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we'll slowly come up. We'll shake it off. Maybe shake off the shoulders. Whew. And then we'll let go of the band. Bring the hands together. Namaste. So I hope you had fun. It did get my heart rate up with the amount of reps that we did. So you can have, you can give yourself more resistance if you like, or you can give yourself less. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.